Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the update on SEI. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of SEI broke down the support of a falling wedge pattern and dropped down inside a key demand zone that starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the pricing is geared up after testing this key demand zone. And by the way, if we take a look at the previous history of this demand zone, then you can see that whenever the pricing is entering this demand zone, we are watching a very massive rallies. Like after breaking out this area, the price and dropped down here inside this key demand zone. Then we had a very massive rally. And after that, it was happening here. The month of August 2024, we had a very massive rally. Now, for the past few days, again, it is moving inside this key demand zone. In fact, we had a long spike beyond this key demand zone, but the pricing could not break down this level, and now it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from a bigger and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared in the previous month of January 2025 on 6th of January 2025 in my members. And that was a bullish bat move that SEI completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump and the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch each of the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SEI. And this is the daily time frame chart, by the way. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this wedge. We broke down the support. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this falling wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at this long-term support of 17 cents, but the pricing could not break down this key demand zone. And you can see that whenever the price on FSCI is entered inside this demand zone, we are watching a very powerful buying or powerful rallies like it was happening here in the month of December 2023 and when it was dropped down here in the month of August 2023 to 2024 we had a very massive rally, and now it's again geared up after testing this key demand zone. By the way, this demand zone starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. And now the previous support of the wedge is breaking at the resistance for the past few days. We will need to break out this resistance that was in fact the support of the wedge. And after that, we will need to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. And then it can hit this long-term resistance of 32 cents. By the way, this 32 cents has been recently breaking as a support here. Before that, it was breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. Therefore, and by the way, here in the month of December 2023, it was also breaking at a point of rejection or resistance. Therefore, again, it can break at a very strong resistance for the price line of SCI. And by the way, here we also have a quite long-term downtrend line resistance as well. We got rejection here, a few more rejections here. And if the price and reaches there, then again, it can work as a strong resistance. And this time it can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at 55 cents. Now here you can see that we have already broken out this quite big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And so far, the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.